Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve lesson number 12 worksheet, that is equation in one variable. Okay, students, you have to remove your worksheet and fill all the details first. Write your name, division, roll number, and put today's date. Okay, now moving to the first question of your worksheet. What is given? Each of the equation is followed by the values of the variable. Decide whether these values are solution of that equation or not. So the first one is x minus 4 equal to 3. This is the equation given, and you have to find the values for the variable which are given as -1, 7 and -7. Which value satisfy your equation and is the solution of that equation. So student will solve. So x minus 4 is equal to 3. This is the equation given. So first let's substitute x equal to -1. So write down LHS first. Your left hand side is given as x minus 4. We'll substitute in the variable x the value that is equal to -1. In place of x, you'll write -1, -4 as it is. So -1 minus 4 will give you -5. Student, your right hand side given is 3. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, x equal to -1 is not the solution. Okay. Now we'll solve for substituting x equal to 7. So left hand side write down expression which is given, that is x minus 4. Substitute in place of x as value 7, that is equal to 7 minus 4. So you'll get answer as 3. So student, your right hand side given in the equation is 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So x equal to 7 is the solution of the equation. Okay, student. Now third value which is given for x is -7. Let's substitute and find out whether it is solution or not. So substitute x equal to -7. So take left hand side expression, that is equal to x minus 4. Substitute in place of x -7. So you'll write down -7 minus 4. You'll add both this number, -7 minus 4 will get -11. So your left hand side is -11 and right hand side given is 3. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore student, x equal to -7 is not the solution. I hope you got this. Moving to the next question of the worksheet. What is given? 2a plus 4 is equal to 0. Substitute the value of a as 2, -2 and 1 and find out which value satisfy the equation. So students, let's solve. Solution, I've written the equation first, that is 2a plus 4 is equal to 0. Substitute a equal to 2. So take left hand side expression, that is equal to 2a plus 4. So in place of 4, write 2. So it will become 2 into 2 plus 4. So 2 into 2 student will get 4 plus 4, you will get answer as 8. So your left hand side, if you substitute a equal to 2, you get value as 8 and right hand side given is 0. So student, your left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So you'll write down, therefore a equal to 2 is not the solution. So now let's substitute a is equal to -2 and find out whether it is solution or not. So substitute a equal to -2. So write down the left hand side expression, that is 2a plus 4 first. So in place of a, replace as -2. So 2 into -2 plus 4. So 2 into -2 will give you -4 and plus 4 you'll write. So -4 plus 4, student, it will get answer as 0 over here. So left hand side is 0 and right hand side given is 0. So here student, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So you'll write down, therefore a equal to -2 is the solution. You have to write a equal to -2 student here. Put -2 over here. Okay, minus sign. Okay, a equal to -2 is the solution. Next, we'll substitute a equal to 1. So let's find whether it is solution or not. So left hand side is equal to 2a plus 4. Therefore 2 into 1, in place of a you'll write 1. So 2 into 1 plus 4. So next step you get student, 2 into 1 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6. And right hand side student given is 0. So your left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore a equal to 1 is not the solution. Okay student. Now moving to the second question of the worksheet. What is given? Solve the equation. So the first equation given is 2m plus 7 equal to 9. So we'll bring number to the right hand side. So solution, 2m plus 7 equal to 9. First write down the equation. So I brought my number which is there plus 7 in left hand side to right hand side, it will become -7. So it will get therefore 2m equal to 9 minus 7. Therefore 2m equal to 9 minus 7, you'll get answer as 2. So we'll find out the value for m. Therefore m equal to 2 upon 2. So you know student, 2 upon 2 will cancel. So you'll cancel this. 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. So you'll get 1 upon 1, that is 1. Therefore value of m equal to 1. Okay, you got the solution. You have find out the value for the variable m, that is equal to 1. Moving to the next question which is given in a worksheet. 5 into x minus 3 equal to 3 into x plus 2. So first let's open the bracket. So solution, I've written the equation 5 into x minus 3 equal to 3 into x plus 2. Removing the bracket you will get, that is therefore 5 into x 5x minus 3 into 5, that is minus 15, equal to 3 into x 3x plus 3 into 2 6. So let's bring variable to left hand side and numbers let's move to right hand side. So next step you'll get student, that is therefore 5x. So 3x will come to left hand side, it will become minus 3x equal to 6. Then minus 15 will move to right hand side, it will become plus 15. So you'll get 5x minus 3x equal to 6 plus 15. So let's solve this. 5x minus 3x student will get therefore 2x equal to 6 plus 15 equal to 21. So therefore value of x equal to 21 upon 2. You will shift this 2 to right hand side, so it will divide. So you will get value for the variable x equal to 21 upon 2. Okay. Now moving to the last question of the worksheet. Word problem. The ratio of the weight of copper and zinc in brass is 13:7. Find the weight of zinc in a brass utensil weighing 700 gram. So we'll start with the solution. The ratio of the weight of the copper and zinc in brass is 13:7. Let the weight of copper be 13x gram. Then the weight of zinc is 7x gram. So student, from the given condition, what is given? That the weight of both this brass and utensils weight 700 grams. So we'll add weight of copper and zinc. So 13x plus 7x equal to 700. So further let's solve. So you'll get therefore 13x plus 7x, you'll get 20x equal to 700. So next step student, it will become therefore x equal to 700 upon 20. We'll simplify. So the zeros will cancel. First 1 0 will cancel. Now 70 divided by 2. So you'll get 2 1s are and 2 3s are 6. 1 remain. So you'll get 10. So it will become 2 5s are 10. So you'll get x as 35. So therefore x equal to 35. Now you need to find, student, weight of the zinc in brass utensils. So weight of zinc is 7x given. So the weight of zinc is 7x gram, that is equal to 7 into 35. So you'll multiply 7 into 35, you'll get answer as 245 grams. So final statement you have to write down. Answer: the weight of zinc in a brass utensil is 245 gram. Okay. So students, please do complete this worksheet. Stay home, stay safe.